Welcome, here I've got DuoDuoGo J6 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the center to the menu. Now let's pick the camera app to open it. And we are in standard photo mode. Let's move to the left corner at the bottom now to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on this settings bar. From the left we have the general settings. Let's move at the center to the photo settings, and here we have to slide a little bit down and pick the preview size option. Now we can manage aspect ratio of this camera. We are in standard 4 and 3. Let's change it to the full screen. And as you can see now, the background has changed to the full camera frame, so this is how to use this. Of course, when we tap here to the left corner at the bottom once again, we are again in the photo settings at the center. We can slide down, pick the preview size and go back to standard 4 and 3 aspect ratio. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.